Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Jessie, and I'm very happy you are here today.
Hi friends. I'm Ralph. Are you ready for easy English? Are you ready for work English?
Yes. Today's episode is called English for Work Made Easy, Funny Talks and Easy Conversations for Beginners.
This video is for beginners. Very simple English. Very useful English. And a little funny too.
Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us. And it helps you learn English every day.
Okay, let's go to work. In English.
Morning at work, let's start real conversation. Good morning, Ralph.
Good morning, Jessie.
How are you today?
I'm okay. I'm a little sleepy.
Sleepy? Why?
Because it's Monday.
Yes. Monday is hard.
But coffee helps.
Coffee is very important at work. Let's talk about our job. Ralph, what do you do?
I work in an office.
What do you do in the office?
I send emails. I talk to people. I sit a lot.
You sit a lot.
Yes. My chair knows me very well.
I work online. I teach English.
Nice job.
Thank you.
At work, people ask simple questions.
Yes, like, how are you? Are you busy? Can you help me?
Let's practice.
Okay. Hi, Ralph. Are you busy?
A little busy. How about you?
I'm not busy. Can you help me?
Yes, I can.
See. Very easy work English. At work, we talk about tasks. Tasks are things you do.
Yes. You can say, I have a meeting. I have work to do. I need to finish this.
For example, I need to send an email.
Or, I need to finish my work before lunch.
Before lunch is very important.
Yes. Lunch is my motivation.
Work can be serious. But work can also be funny.
Yes. Sometimes I say, I'm very busy, but I'm just drinking coffee.
I sometimes say, I'm working, but I'm thinking about food.
That is real life.
Yes. English at work should feel real.
Sometimes there are problems at work.
Yes. You can say, I have a problem. I need help. I don't understand.
These sentences are very important.
For example, I don't understand this email.
Or, can you explain, please?
Polite and simple. How do you feel at work today?
I feel tired, but I feel okay.
That's honest.
Yes. You can say, I feel tired. I feel stressed. I feel happy.
Feelings are part of work English too. What do you say at the end of the workday?
I say, see you tomorrow. Have a nice day.
Yes. Or, good job today.
I like that one.
Me too. Now it's time for learning moments. Let's review 5 easy work English phrases. 1. What do you do? Ask about someone's job. Example. What do you do? I work in an office. 2. Are you busy? Ask if someone has time. Example. Are you busy? A little busy. 3. Can you help me? Very useful at work. Example. Can you help me, please? 4. I don't understand. Use this when something is not clear. Example. I don't understand this email. 5. Have a nice day. A friendly way to end a conversation. Example. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Today we learned easy English for work.
Yes. Simple sentences. Real conversations. And a little humor.
Remember, you don't need perfect English. You need clear English.
Practice a little every day. Even at work. Even with coffee.
Thank you for watching.
Please like, subscribe, and comment below.
Here is today's question for you. Backhand index pointing right. What do you do at work?
Write your answer in the comment.
See you next time.